Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make choco chips. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel to watch other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you would like to watch next. We also show some quick and easy hacks to try at home. To start off with the video, here I have some chopped Morde chocolate. I have used milk chocolate, but you can use dark or white chocolate to make your choco chips. Next, I'm going to pop it in the oven until it's completely melted. I'll put it in for 30 seconds interval. You can see the chocolate has melted completely. For the next step, I've taken a piping bag and I've made a small cut at the end of it. And I'm going to fill it up with the melted chocolate. I'm gonna hold the piping bag in this position as it makes it easy to fill it in. After filling it in with the melted chocolate, press it until it reaches the end, like so. Next, I'll take a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Make sure you use the parchment paper so that the chocolate doesn't stick. Next, I'll squeeze the chocolate-filled piping bag to get tiny drops like this. You can change the size depending on how big you want the choco chips to be. The next step is to pop it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. After taking it out of the refrigerator, you can see it's set really well. Next, I'll take it off like this carefully with my hands. Because I use the parchment paper, the chocolate isn't stuck to it and it's easier to take it off. The choco chips are now ready. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.